Hey guys, I got a comment saying like how to get Angry Bird Terenc tutorial. I'm gonna be making a video on that. I literally tried this like 8 times, but my recording keeps crashing because I don't know why, but red is like every time I use red it crashes my game sometimes. So like literally every time I use red it crashes my game and my Angry Birds is being super laggy. So we're gonna try this again. Hang on. Let me just start the screen recording. Hang on guys. Give me a minute. I gotta start the screen recording. Okay. Alright, I got the screen recording on, so it actually records it. Alright, so, red, don't crash my game, please. Okay, it's actually working, it's not crashing my game. I don't even need to use this ability. It's just too good. I'm just too good at the game. It's actually really easy to get Terenc in this game, like I'm doing right now. You just gotta go to the missions button. Just click on the missions button, and every few missions, you can unlock a bird cage. And I'll show you how to unlock the bird cage. Because it's not that hard to do, you just need to play like every few levels you get a bird cage too, and you can unlock a bird cage. And I gotta actually aim for this one because I might miss. Are you freaking kidding me? How is this nerd still alive? Okay, hang on. Let me destroy him. I gotta aim right now. Okay, there we go. Alright. Terenc is straight out right now because I don't have him. And, I've played this game before, just a little bit. Dude, there's a freaking ad. Coins are falling out of the ceiling. Oh no, I don't know what's happening here. What the frick? This isn't how, that's not how court works, I don't think. She's freezing. She's freezing. You don't need money. You need... What? Okay, I guess. Just close your door. Maybe if you close your door it would be less cold. What? A boulder's gonna... Oh, I thought boulder was gonna fall in. That's not really a door. Yeah, you kinda deserve that. What the frick? Why is your water running? Why are you leaving it running? I am not downloading Garden Escape, especially after that. What? He's cheating on her. And he is taking custody of the child. I got 100 white feathers. I don't even know. Oh, that's Matilda. Okay. See the screen recording thing? That's because I tried recording this like 12 times. The freaking red keeps crashing my game. He's crashing my game. Look at him. Got a football helmet. He's in the NBA because he's cracked at football. He's the GOAT. Alright. He scored 12 points in a World Cup. Good. Alright. This is a little far away, so I'm gonna actually aim here. Okay, here we go. I didn't use the power up because I sometimes forget to use red power because it's so useless and stupid. Red's really not that good. I haven't played Angry Birds in a while, so sorry if my aim crashed. But I did take out that tower at least. That tower's gone now. Alright, let's have the radio doesn't do anything here. But red might actually. Hang on, red. Oh, let's go! I pushed over that wood thing at the bottom and then plugged it over. Who's still alive? Excuse me? Okay. So the next level, as you saw on the main map, there's a key. And the key lets you unlock the bird cages. And you can get Terenc from bird cage. Alright, I got 2 stars every level. You already know. I don't even know how to get not 2 stars. But see, look, okay, I progressed the level, and now I got the key. I got bird key. Let's go. I got bird key. And now I can raise any of the birds. I already got these guys. That's my highest level bird. Why is it red? Dude, red sucks. I hate red. But I can get silver, I can get bomb, or I can get Terenc. Now, if you want Terenc, just click on Terenc, but I actually think that Terenc is the best bird, because he's really big and he can go through a lot of things. He's a really strong card. Bomb is pretty good, but I think out of all the birds here, Terenc is probably my favorite. Shut up, Silver. She's squealing. Alright, there we go. Terenc time. See, look, now it's just good for practice. And after you get Terenc, it'll bring you to a tutorial thing that shows you how to use them. So, I'll do the tutorial real quick so I can show you how good Terenc is. See, those ones are grayed out because I can't use them for the tutorial level. So, I'm going to be showing you how overpowered Terenc is. He's actually really cracked, and he's probably going to solo this entire level because he's just so good. So, let's just fire him. What the frick? Why doesn't it let me aim up? What? Why is there like aim assist? Okay, I guess. See, look. He went through absolutely all of the wood. Terenc did that. Terenc was overpowered. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That's how you get Terenc. I think it might be like every like 2 boss levels, I think, you get a bird key, and you can use a bird key to get, use a bird key to get Terenc. You don't have to get Terenc, you can get other birds, but I really like Terenc, so I like getting him. But anyways, that's how you get Terenc, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video because it took a long time to make because my Angry Birds kept crashing. It's really laggy today, and I don't know why. I have McDonald's Wi-Fi. I'm not playing at McDonald's, I swear. Yeah, okay, I'm not playing at McDonald's. But anyway, my bad.